Tapman's Trucking fans, here's another model review. It's the New Holland Combine. The CR9090 with the bean head and New Holland T7 270 tractor with the grain wagon. Move these aside. Hold on real quick. For the bean for the combine, it gives you this bean head, if you want to call it, or wheat head. There's not much detail. All it says is New Holland on the side. All plastic. That hooks up to your combine right there. For the combine itself, looks like a regular combine. The ladder, so you can climb up to the cab, opens. I don't know if you can tell my camera, but nice detail inside the cab. You got your little blinking lights. Don't have very many details on the lights and stuff. There's your logos, nice and crisp. Very crisp, actually. I like them. Your auger goes out that far, probably about couple of inches. Your back, where the bean residue comes out. There's your New Holland. Your lights. Your engine. It's hollow where to put the beans in. Besides that, that's it. Not a big fan of it. It's okay. And there's your head attaches to. Now for the tractor. It's all plastic. I wish Niray kind of made the front wheels turn and stuff. Your lights are just stickered. There's your New Holland logo again. This one actually has a lot of detail where you can move the 3-point hitch on the back. There's a 3-point hitch. Don't really move, it's all plastic, rubber. And there's your hitch for the trailer. Your lights are just stickered. Here's your wagon. Your thing opens. No detail. Just the only details that's it. No lights. They actually made it to where it tips. There's your landing gear. I'm probably overdoing it. It doesn't come with it, but if you bought it with the set off, like, I don't know where you, like outbacktoys.com, you would get a lowboy, the combine, and a Peterbilt 387. But I think this combine's too much for the New Ray lowboy that it comes with. I actually made a lowboy that it fits perfectly on. I'll move this back. Now the tractor actually works good on the Ertl detached lowboy. It actually fits perfectly except right there. I don't know if I'm overdoing it or not, but I'm doing it. Then it goes all the way up to gooseneck, and that's Overall, for detail, I give a 6 out of 10. For the combine, a 6 out of 10. The tractor, maybe a 8 out of 10. Then the wagon, I give like a 3 because it has no detail. Alright, this is another model review from Tapman's Trucking. Thank you for watching. Please rate, like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, please put them below. Thank you.